sitting in the corner playing my recorder. My parents really wanted me to become a lawyer.
Want a snack without getting cheesy fingers?
Yeah?
They're called Cheetos for a reason.